Welcome back. Outgoing Chief Secretary of Goa Sanjay Srivastava has expressed concern over investors losing confidence in the state. He feels that government has to look into this issue on priority considering the stagnated economic growth. Srivastava also revealed that the former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath was hesitant to act against the government officials facing charges of corruption or illegalities. He feels such officials should be suspended prima facie. Srivastava has been transferred and relieved from state administration. Before leaving, this was his exclusive chat with us in our weekly program, Head On.
But they should, I'll always say, because my heart is in Goa, even if I'm going out, we should get progress here. We cannot go with past glory. We have to do something new also.
तो आपको क्या लग रहा है कि अभी जो ये ओवर पार्टिसिपेटिव हो रहा है, somehow progress is getting affected. We are not coming out with solution.
I'll say so, because if we go out and talk to someone outside, people who are investing are doing project in other state, they say Goa में हमको decision नहीं मिलता है. If government will agree, panchayat will not agree. So why should we give this impression? Goa is a wonderful people, wonderful state. We should get a good impression. Suppose we don't need a scheme, we should say no. But once we say yes, then we should implement it. And I believe Goa take a good decision, an environmental friendly decision, sustainable decision. But please take decision, because no government moves without decision.
Was Digambar Kamath too soft?
I am a very kind person. Because I have worked in business for very long in Delhi, and so I used to always feel that, sir, जब ये गलत है, इसको we should punish. He'll say कि नहीं, see his other point of view. Which is also, of course, he is right in a way. कि his family, other. I said नहीं, जिसने गलत किया, he should be taken to task. Because
have to set an example.
Raja has to be ruthless to the people who is not good.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Congress party state leaders welcomed Rajiv Jyoti Sadbhavna Yatra on Sunday. It entered the state borders from Paul Kankon. The main aim of the rally is to fight communalism and terrorism. The rally had an halt at different places along the route in Goa. It will enter Maharashtra on Monday. Here are some clips at Bali Kunkuli.
The aim of this Rajiv Jyoti Sadbhavna Yatra is to oppose communalism and to oppose terrorism. That is the main aim of this yatra. The last 21 years, under the leadership of Mr. Prakasham, is leading this yatra throughout the country by spreading Rajiv Gandhi's message. Under the leadership of Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji, this yatra will go enter into Maharashtra. From there, Mumbai, from there, Diu Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Haryana. At lastly, it will reach Delhi on 19th, 12 o'clock. At near Parliament Rajiv Gandhi's statue. In the view of the birthday of Rajiv Gandhi, we will place this Jyoti in Veerbhumi and will take the flag against the terrorism and communalism by protecting unity, integrity, sovereignty and secularism and communal harmony of our great nation.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent Media. Fatarda MLA Vijay Sardesai has charged the Parrikar-led government of being anti-Goans. He was speaking on the backdrop of Madgaon fisher women's issue and Goan youth being denied government jobs. He says it is nothing but injustice to Goans. Fisher women and youth met Sardesai demanding justice. He has assured support to both the groups.
Agitated fisherwomen from Margaon met the Fatarda MLA Vijay Sardesai. They have demanded justice from the government. Vijay Sardesai heard their grievances and assured to support their agitation for justice. Sardesai has plans of setting up a satellite market in Fatarda exclusively for Goans.
फक्त गोंयकारांक जर गोंयान टार्गेट जावपा लागले जाल्यार गोंयकार ओगी रावचे ना आमी सगळ्यांक वयर काडून आमी पळय जाल्यार कितें जातलें आनी हाजेर न्याय मेळटलोच आनी तांकां ना जाल्यार तांकां आमी फातोर्डा एब्जॉर्ब करतले तितले म्हाका कॅपॅसिटी आहा आमी पर्रीकाराक सांगिल्लें आहा हांव सॅटेलायट मार्केट 3 म्हयन्यान पावस वचून 3 म्हयन्यान घालता आनी सगळे गोंयकारांक एकोमोडेट करता फक्त गोंयकारांचें मार्केट आसतलें तितले मनशां तांकां बसूंक दिवंक जाय तें तांचें पोट कशें भरतलें दिसान दीस हाव विल दे फीड देमसेल्स कित्याक ते आयचे कितें तरी विकतले आनी मागीर सांजची जेवतलीं हे सिच्युएशनाचे लोक आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड दिस इनजस्टीस.
Some of the youth also met Vijay Sardesai. They claim that they were selected for the post of mining supervisors during the Congress regime, but Parrikar-led government has not yet appointed them in service. Backing these candidates, Vijay Sardesai has advised them to appeal before the court.
हे भुरगे हांकां फक्त ते काडटात आपले पार्टीच्या भुरग्यांक भितर घेवपाक. जेन्ना हो विचार जेन्ना सरकाराच्या मनान आहा तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता आय थिंक नॉकिंग द डोर्स ऑफ द कोर्ट मे बी द ओनली ऑप्शन. पूण सरकाराक परती याद करून दिवपाक, परते बोवाळ करपाक आनी तांचे बरोबर कितेंय एजिटेट करपाक हांव तांकां म्हजो पूर्ण पाठिंबो आसतलो.
A reporter from Margaon, Savio Dias.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.